Hey guys, let's see how to have the Tapo C246D working with Android. As you can see, I have a Samsung phone here. That's the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, but it works with any Samsung device, any Android device, right? So the cameras here is the dual lens camera. You see here, one lens on the top, it's a fixed lens, and one here on the bottom. It's a movable lens or a PTZ lens that moves horizontally and vertically. You see both cameras here working at the same time, both lenses, right? And I can just control from here the camera. You see back there that's moving, right? With the pan movement, and also I can look up and down with the tilt movement. So it works pretty fine, right? I have working with my Android phone already. I'm going to delete the camera here or reset the camera and show you again how it works from scratch, all right? Let me just put the box aside here and work with this camera. Just here see the menu. I can just select the menu and go all the way down, and from here I can remove the camera. You see there's no reset button option. There's also the remove button, but it's the same of resetting the camera. I can just remove from here, or I can come to the camera and reset from there. But when you got the camera out of the box, it's already come reset. It comes in the state that you just need to have for the setup, right? So I just come here and remove the camera. When I remove here, when I click remove, you're gonna hear the camera saying that's being reset, okay? So let's just click here and confirm.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
Okay, as you can hear, the camera is being reset. I'm just bringing it here and I'm gonna show you the LED status. You see here, just move this a little bit here. There we go. And here is the status of the camera. Okay, the LED is red right now because the camera is booting up. Then it's going to turn, or it's going to do this movement in the horizontal, okay? And also in the vertical, just to test. And then it's going to stop and start flashing. The LED here is going to flash red and green, then the camera is ready to go. You just need to go to your Play Store and download the app. So here you just look for Tapo, that's the app. Okay, look for it and just install this one, TP-Link Tapo. That's the one that I have just right here. You just need to download, create an account using your email, and also create a password, and then you just log in with your account. You're gonna see the app just like this one. In your case, if you don't have any other Tapo cameras, you're not gonna see anything here. You're just gonna see a button asking to add a new device, okay? Or you can just come here to the top and click here on this plus signal, add a device, and from here you can choose which one you have. In this case, it's an indoor or outdoor camera. It's the same. Any of them is going to work. So I just select here indoor camera and I look for Tapo C246D. Let me just go down until I find it. There we go. And now I just need to follow the instructions here, okay? So here it's asking to check if the LED is flashing red and green, which it is. So I just hit next. And now it's going to show here the connection directly to the camera. Okay, so the cell phone is connecting to the camera. Just make sure that you have your Bluetooth enabled, your Wi-Fi enabled, so it works pretty fine. See, it connects to the camera, and now the cell phone is going to inform the camera which Wi-Fi to use, meaning which router to connect to. Okay, so just need to select your router here. Just click reselect if it's not the correct one, but usually you have the correct one here on your phone because your phone is connecting to the Wi-Fi as well. So you just enter the password here as well. I have mine here just for testing, and save the password so it doesn't ask for the password again. So just hit next and confirm and wait.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
Okay, as you can hear, the camera is connecting to the Wi-Fi. And here you're gonna see the status as well. If it changes to green, then you're good to go, okay? For a while it's just red. Just need to wait for a little bit longer until it changes. It's going to connect here and inform you that's good, okay? It's pairing the device. There we go. Then you just need to name the camera. Just insert here any name you want. It's still not green. There we go. Now it's green. Just hit next. Here select the location that you want. In this case, I'm gonna select here office. Hit next. I can select any icon that I want. I'll just select this one, hit next again. And then the camera is ready, right? Sounds good. And here is the 30-day trial. You need to record the videos from your camera, okay, somewhere. You can do the recordings on the cloud. So you have this 30-day trial, okay, for 30 days. You can just try it. And after this, it's going to charge you monthly for the recording into the cloud. But if you're not willing to record into the cloud, if you're not willing to pay for the monthly fee, you just need to record into the SD card, okay? So let me just show here. There's a slot here for the SD card. You just need to open this rubber flap, and here there's the SD card. I have one already here, okay? I'm gonna leave the link here in the description for a good SD card because the camera has high resolution. It needs to have a good SD card that's fast enough to record everything. So let me just close here, put the camera back there so you can see some motion on the street. And back here, just log in again here. There we go. And then I can just hit dismiss. I'm not gonna use the cloud now. Got it. And here's the information for the SD card. You can use SD card with 8 gigabytes until 512 gigabytes. That's the maximum capacity. Got it. And here's the firmware update. The camera is going to update itself between 3 a.m. and 5 p.m. Just hit here, got it. And here is the smart dual tracking. You just leave it enabled here. You can tracking people or can track cars. Got it. Got it again. About the focus, it's informing here how it works, right? You can just tap to focus and you can move the lens. Just leave it like this. Some more information about the Wi-Fi. Test the Wi-Fi if you want to test it. Just hit next here. Tabletop, that's the way I have my camera. Next. And click to preview, okay? We're going to preview. Just wait for it. And there we go, I have my camera working. I can also invert the image if I install the camera upside down, right? If I install it on a ceiling, I can just invert the image here. So it's done, and you're gonna see the camera ready here on your cell phone. You see, that's available, and you can just tap on it, and you can use it, right? You can use anywhere you are. It doesn't matter if you are at home, or if you are traveling, as long as you have Wi-Fi on your cell phone, connecting to any router, or you have the data with the internet, is going to work as well, because this goes to the Tapo cloud internet and comes back to your phone, right? Even if you're recording to the SD card, you can still see the image live no matter where you are. You're using the Tapo service, right? So I hope that helps. That's the way you can set up the Tapo C246D on an Android device. And I hope that helps. Leave your comments here if that works for you, and give your thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.